भवन्तः अत्रत्याः समुपस्थिताः विद्वांसः कार्यक्रमस्य संयोजकः श्री विपिन कुमार झा, संचालिका भगिनी भूता श्री अचिंत्य जोशी अद्य वस्तुतः। हेलो, आर यू गेटिंग माय वॉइस? हेलो,
हाँ सर।
क्या? ओके। Well, as I was requested earlier by the convener of this program webinar, I am switching over to English, and my topic is the relevance of the Puranic literature. Let me first of all remember a great Puranic character, the warrior incarnation of Lord Vishnu, that is Parashuram. And today being the Parashuram Jayanti, let me first of all pay my best homage to the warrior incarnation, Bhagwan Parashuram. Now, coming to my topic, must I say, the entire Puranic literature is a big corpus, literary corpus, where 4 lakh verses, 4 lakh shlokas are there in the Puranas, 18 Puranas, composed by none other than Krishna Dvaipayana Vyas. And Krishna Dvaipayan Vyas, about whom it has been said that Achatur Badano Brahma Dubahu Raparo Harihi. Brahma has got 4 mouths, but only with one face. Vyas did all that Brahma can do. Anyway, coming to Bhagavatam, which is the representative of all the Puranas, I must say that Bhagavatam, Vidyavatam Bhagavate Pariksha, we have been listening to this very famous line, Vidyavatam Bhagavate Pariksha. So, for the relevance, if I can say the relevance of the Bhagavatam, it may be taken as the relevance of the entire Puranic literature, because the entire Puranic literature speaks of, it is said that Puranas is Yashashyam, Ayusham, Dhanyam. So we all get these things from the Puranas. And in the present day, where people are suffering from different kinds of affliction, and the newest of them is the corona, in this age of blatant Kali Yuga. In the very beginning, Sonakji asked Sudji Maharaj, the famous exponent of the Puranic literature, that in the outrageous Kali Yuga, what will happen to the people who tend to acquire demonic quality? What will happen to them? And all the sufferings, all the afflictions are generally out of the demonic quality that they acquire. There, in the Padma Purana, in the latter part of Padma Purana, in the first chapter on Bhag Mahatma, and the verses fifth, in the 5th verse, it is clearly asked that यह घोरे कलो प्राय है लोकश्चासुकांगत है क्लेशाक्रांतस्य तस्यैव शोधने किं परायणम्. And in this Kali Yuga, people who will become possessed of demonic qualities will be getting so many afflictions, will be afflicted by their own misdeeds. But what will be the way out for them? What will be their way of emancipation? Upon this, in the 10th verse, Sutji Maharaj says that Kala Vyal Mukha Grasa Tras Nirnas Hetave Srimad Bhagavatam Kavyam Kalau Kirena Bhasitam. Meaning thereby that the time is like a python, and in the jaws of python, all the world is just falling. Mankind is falling in the jaws of this python, and the fear of death that is latent in everyone. For to dispel that fear of death, what could be the way? Thereupon, Sutji says that Srimad Bhagavatam Kavyam, the best of the Kavya, and Srimad Bhagavatam, that Srimad Bhagavatam has been composed, has been elucidated by Shukdev Ji Maharaj, Shukdev Swami, and the father of Sukdev, as we know, Sri Krishna Dvaipayan Vyas, who composed Bhagavatam. The Bhagavatam has great relevance in bringing about the complete absence of fear. Today, we all are stricken with fear, and death is almost staring us. But there, in the Bhagavatam, it has been nicely presented through the narration of Maharaj Parikshit and Sukdev Swami, where death has been made like a celebration. It is a jubilation, and upon hearing the Bhagavatam, which is the representative of all the 18 Puranas, the Parikshit ji experiences self-realization, and he exclaims that Aham Brahma Paramdham Brahmaham Paramam Padam. Oh, my Guru, oh Shukdeva ji, I feel elated. I feel as if I am a Brahma, and my position is the highest in the universe. What can death do to me? Oh, to a man, to a person, to an audience of Bhagavatam or the Puranic literature at the time of death, not Kal, but the son of Vasudev and the Devaki, Lord Krishna comes to their rescue, and then death becomes a celebration. So this is the glory of the Puranic literature, and we must say that Puranas act like medicines. Bhavaushadhat srotra manovhiramat. So bhavaushadhat, thereby the medicine of the life, which cures of the inner ailments of lust, greed, anger, ego. All these inner evils, all these inner ailments are cured of by listening to the teachings of the Puranas. So we must say that Puranas is still relevant, and it will remain relevant till the mankind is there on this planet. And I must say that of all the Puranas, the Bhagavatam, if one listen to Bhagavatam, the fruit of listening to Bhagavatam is you can derive the merit of all the Puranas, So in the Agni Purana, Matsya Purana, as we know, there is a shloka to Madvayam, Bhadvayam, Chaiva. Anyway, I don't want to go there, but Puran is an ailment. Puran is a good medicine for all the ailments And in life, the value of peace is very much there. And in Purana, the value of truthfulness. In the very first shloka of Srimad Bhagavatam, we find this beautiful line that Satyam Param Dhimahi, the ultimate object is the truth, and the truth has been sung in the at the very outset, even in the middle, and at the in the last of the Bhagavatam, where it has been said that Tachuddham Bimalam Vishokam Mamritam Satyam Paramadhimai. From the beginning to the end, the glory of truth has been enunciated, and truth can be the foundation of a good life. So, if we want a balanced life, if we want a life free from all this lust, greed, anger, and ego, we must say that Puran is relevant to all of us. And from the literary point of view, the beautiful construction of and the alankaraj and the beautiful intricacies of the Bhagavatam brings it in the category of one of the best literary piece. When we say Samasrita Haje Pad Pallava Plavam Mahat Padam Punya Jasho Murare Bhabam Budir Vatsa Padam Param Padam 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 Jata Vipanamna Tesham. Just see the beauty of the verses. And there are so many verses, 18,000 verses. And in 335 chapters, in 12 cantos of Srimad Bhagavatam, all everywhere we find a flowing love for the ultimate truth, that is in the language of Bhagavata, Lord Krishna, Param Purana Purus, the love for Purana Purus, and the avatars of Purana Purus, and the story of the great devotees of the Purana Purus, like Dhruva, Prahlad, and there are so many kathanak, akhyanas, narrations, such as and Astuti, Brahma Stuti, Bhishma Stuti, we find there Puranjanopakhyan. What is an eye-opening experience we find through Puranjanopakhyan. And there is narration of Rantideva. And nowadays, in the age of lockdown, there are need of so many Rantidevas who can feed the poor, who can feed the orphan, who can feed the helpless. And they are there all around all of us. So the Puranas is eternal. It is the fruit of the best of Vedic literature. Nigam kalpataror galitam phalam. Just look at it. So it is the very sweet fruit of the entire Vedic literature. And if this Nigam kalpataror galitam phalam is tasted, as has been done by Parikshit, by Sonak, and by people like you, I must say that we all be emancipated and be liberated from the eternal this cycle of life and death. Bhagavatam will give us, the Puranas makes us, assured us of liberation from all these fear. That is why Puranas has been widely acclaimed as the lighthouse of Indian knowledge. Puranas is widely acclaimed as the lighthouse of Indian knowledge, and all the 18 Puranas are like 18 pillars on which Indian culture and social system is there upon the 18 pillars. So Puranas is of immense value. It has great relevance for students, for teachers, for all the ashramas. People of belonging to all the ashramas find relevance in the teachings of the Puranas. It gives us solace. It gives us satisfaction. It always in Gokarna you find how Gokarnji Maharaj, the life of Dhundakari and Gokard. One Dhundakari is like people like Dhundakari. They are crow, like crow, and fan. Gokarn is like swan, and Bhagavatam or the Puranas make man, make a crow into a swan. And we start. So this is a Puranas is a treatise of transformation. It is actually an encyclopedia of Indian knowledge, best of Indian knowledge and reverence, faith and reverence. These are two great things to be taught, to be
Sir, please
from the
conclude.
Puranas. There is a beautiful narration. Thank you, sir. There is a narration of how the knowledge and how the attachment they have been personified, and how the devotion, the bhakti Maharani, and all these we know very much. But this is all are just a rupak metaphor. But and the story, the narrations of Puranas has got philosophical value too. There is science and there is so many cultures, arts, and different kind of vidyas. So Purana is Vidya, one of the most important of Chaturdas Vidya. And Yagyavalka, who is from Mithila, states names as the first of all the Vidyas. Thank you very much. Thank you all. धन्यवाद.
बहुत बहुत वास्तव में पुराणों में वेदों की ही बातों को, उपनिषदों की बातों को बहुत सरलीकरण कर बताया, वो निसंदेह उपादेय है, चाहे वह गोकर्ण हो या भागवत के दूसरे वृत्तांत. अब हम तुम्हें अधिक